For those of you who don't know me,
Hi, I'm Riya and I'm a shopaholic.
no, really, I love fashion and experimenting with my style, which means I grow out of my clothes pretty often. And it's starting to be a problem. So at the start of this year, I did a deep dive and cleared out basically half my closet. But turns out the clothes were actually still super cute. So my best friend and I decided to start a thrift store, find them a better home. And this is how it all went down. Let me just say, this is gonna be a messy video. I don't even think you can tell how bad this is right now. But yeah, we're doing it. We're starting the new year off by decluttering my closet, my thoughts, my life, all of it. Seriously, no one needs these many clothes. And this year I definitely want to reduce that and just like keep things I actually wear. Which is why I think this video is going to be a really good start to the new year. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared of what's going on here. It's honestly just making me anxious. Look at it. So we're gonna start at this side. I'm gonna start with my dresser. I have 2 drawers full of clothes. The first one is my denim and the second one is all my skirts. So we're just gonna shift out here. Wow. I'm a huge skirt person. I have the infamous brown leather pants. Not basic at all. Definitely have I have to say the don't know pile is way bigger. I'm kind of proud of myself for it. Oh my god. G time! Yes, one of my favorite skirt sets. I definitely can't wear this as much, but it's one of those like statement outfits. I know whenever and wherever I'm gonna wear it, it's gonna make me feel like a bad bitch. It's gonna make me feel like a it girl. Tell me this isn't freaking satisfying. Fun fact, I learned how to fold clothes while staring at retail workers while I was like shopping. Because every time they would show me clothes and then they would like fold it so fast. It was really fascinating to me. So I started trying it out and I learned how to do it like them, and it's very satisfying. Fun fact, ouch, I used to really be into jumpsuits. I think it's like super 70s chic. I got it when I was 15 and my mom was really mad because it was a really low neck. But now I'm 20, so I'm gonna wear it. I don't know how I have this because it just kind of landed up in my closet. Hey, what's up? So it's a few days later. I still haven't put my room back together. I'll tell you why in a bit. But I am finally done cleaning up my closet. It's all set in there. But I have a lot of freaking things that I want to sell. There are so many clothes I've never worn. So get ready for this. I literally have this entire bag. This whole freaking basket. And that's not even the best part. There's a whole rack just of all the clothes that we're selling. Yep, it's all happening today. Well, it's not happening today, but I'm gonna like put it together today. Basically, I called some of my friends over and they're just gonna help me by like modeling for all of these things, and I'm just gonna photograph them and then maybe create like another Instagram, or I haven't decided what exactly I want to do, but today I'm just like photographing all of them, make it cute, and I think it's actually gonna be a fun time. Like, I don't know, just dressing up with my friends, trying on clothes. It's gonna be good. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna vlog that and then we'll see what we want to do from there. So I think I'm just gonna shoot out here. Like, I want to use this like white wall while I have it, and then I maybe want to take some pictures of the sky. I don't know. Basically, I just want the clothes to pop with these pictures, so I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, so Natasha's running a little late, as always. What's new? But I think I'm gonna start shooting some of the outfits myself because I don't really have any other option, and the sun's Like I don't want the lighting to go. So I'm just gonna shoot some myself, and then when she comes I'll start photographing it on them. No, I don't know. What am I saying? Oh my god, wait. Oh no, shut you. I love it. It fits so well. It's so flattering, but I just never end up wearing it. I actually wanted to style this one last time with a black cloth headband, but I think I left mine at Riya's. So we're gonna see if white works. Do you wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi. She finally arrived, guys. It's 6 p.m.
No.
Yeah, it's like 5:30.
Yeah, it's fine.
But we're just gonna take pictures now. First year it was chill, but then like, how do I say, do I take your face?
No. Like you can crop it later, but like don't try and
How the hell did I wear that?
yeah, so
You can post
this also
like in the slide.
Yeah.
When I was like thinking of this, I was like, oh, I want to do like concept shoots for each. It's like, I can't do that because I'm just trying to sell the clothes.
Yeah,
Or my
that's
freaking
just-
FC brain.
Can you take a mirror selfie? Is that no appealing?
Yeah. That'll be cute. Some thrift stores do that. It's a new day. So, I think I filmed yesterday, but me and Natasha basically just ended up taking a bunch of pictures. So happy. I have a few more to take, which I'm gonna do either today or tomorrow, according to the sun and when it leaves. But I'm just going to try and edit some of these. I know I shouldn't do much because it's just about the product and how it looks, and I don't want to like change up the color and stuff. But my FC brain just won't let me leave without at least adjusting the lighting and everything, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I don't know if I told y'all, but Natasha actually has a thrift store of her own, and I was really confused about like how to go about this whole thing. So yesterday we were just talking, and I decided I'm gonna sell my clothes like through her, like a collaboration, and it's super fun because she's literally my best friend. Like it's really easy for us. We keep meeting, and I think we're gonna donate most of the profits because we've always working in causes together and we've always volunteered places together. So this just got even better. I'm so excited. But yeah. So that's just a little update. But before I take you along to the rest of it, I want to tell you all about this class I'm taking. So once again, thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And if you don't already know, Skillshare is the learning platform if you're looking for anything creative, if you're curious to learn some new skills. And they have classes on everything possible you can think of, from productivity to art to photography. Basically the whole package, it's all there, and I've been having a lot of fun exploring. I just finished the productivity for creatives class. Basically it takes you through how to turn your ideas into action. Super helpful. I said this last time, but I'm the kind of person who gets a lot of ideas, but then I don't usually act on because it's just a scramble in my brain, and this really helped put it into perspective. And I've seen myself be more productive and put things into action the past week that I've been taking this class, which is crazy because it worked fast, didn't expect that. But so yeah, if you're interested in checking it out, it's only $10 a month. The first 1,000 people to click the link in my description will get a free membership trial, so you might as well give it a chance. It really is amazing. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna edit the pictures, do all of it, and I'll see you when I'm shooting again. You guys, I have literally been playing dress up by myself in my room, and it's so fun. I can't even tell you. I think I'm falling back in love with all these clothes because I literally want to keep half of them. Anyway, I think I'm almost done. The sun is gone, so I think I'm just gonna do last few of the tops, and then I just have skirts left. So I got the skirt once when I had to go to an event after school, and I wore it to that one event, and then I never wore it again, and it's so sad because it's so cute. On this top, I think I might actually just get this What? Oh, the L. Hair looks so curly.
What my face is.
What the heck? I can't, it won't stay. I'll have to like hold it.
What the hell? Yay. Okay, I don't know.
You all know her. This is Natasha.
She's my best friend.
Wait, I need a moment. I feel awkward. Okay.
Okay.
It's all
I have questions.
I want to see first.
It's nothing.
You gonna ask me why I started?
Yeah.
I don't know why I started. It was just time pass to sell my old clothes.
That's fair enough. This is Natasha. You guys know her, you all have met her. She runs a thrift store called Pixie Dust Thrifts. Pixie Dust Thrifts, I'll have it on the screen. And it's super cool. We were just talking and I figured I could just sell my stuff through her because it makes more sense. She already has a store, she knows what to do. I'm kind of clueless about the whole thing. I don't know how to like go about anything. So she's gonna explain it to me. So I figured I would film it because it might just like help someone if they're planning to do it. Because I was really curious, how do you like ship stuff and shit? Like I didn't know that was like I don't know how do you do that? Wait, so you told me you like did something to get followers, right? Because she never posted about her account like on her main.
Yeah.
But you still have followers.
So in the
like you still have people who buy your
thrift
clothes.
community, it's like thrift stores help other thrifts give each other
I
shout
found a
outs.
lot of thrift stores like that, like from other
Yeah,
thrift store
dude,
stories.
same.
Yeah. So like how do you ship out stuff? That's what I'm the most clueless about.
Yeah,
Like
so-
packaging, shipping out. People just talk about packaging.
Yeah, there's so
People-
many
yeah.
cool ways to package in a sustainable way. There's so many options. Like when you
Yeah.
think about it, it's like so many
I really
many
like the
options.
newspaper thing. It looks so cool.
Yeah.
also.
So we'll definitely
Yeah.
do like a really nice and like sustainable packaging.
Oh my god, you're like
Like
selling our thing. You're like,
newspapers.
yes, come buy from us. So what do you ship through?
Yeah, so there are like so many websites like ShipRocket.
But how
like
do you
delivery.
so do you like email them or something and you're like
Yeah,
to
you
ship
can
out stuff?
email them, you can call
and then
them.
they come pick up stuff from your house.
Yeah, like delivery.
So how-
But the thing with India Post is like there's like a surety that it will reach you because some of these websites, I won't take any names, but like they have like messed up orders. That's that. Anything else? Please tell me that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yep. So I think we finished taking all the pictures of everything. It took a while, but we finally got it.
She's selling really cute stuff, guys. So like I really hope you'll wanna buy it.
I don't even want to sell half of it anymore.
Yeah.
Like I actually don't.
I wanna keep it.
So I'll update you. I think tomorrow or like over this weekend we can start like dropping like the first drop.
And
This
we
is
both have to
exciting.
Yeah.
Dude, it's like, oh my god, we always spoke about doing our
like,
thing.
doing our
Oh my god.
thing
Listen,
together.
oh my god, guys, we literally have a book where in 6th grade.
6th grade.
Where we used to like literally design clothes like together and like we've always wanted to like
Yeah.
have our own brand and
Our
shit.
own fashion.
Oh my god.
Did design, remember for
Yeah, we actually sold.
Please say her name.
We sold a dress to someone in 6th grade.
Yeah.
That was like our first sale ever. Oh, so she's a fashion design student. She can literally sew and like do actual stuff.
Dude, upcycling things, I'm so in for it. I can make
can
like the
actually
coolest
get
designs
it.
and like sell amazing things.
Yeah,
like,
I'd be so
amazing,
down to do
amazing
something like that.
things.
So we're just going to. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna put the feet together. I'll film the first drop and how it goes and like if people want to actually buy shit and like how we go about it. Okay, cool. You wanna say bye? Bye. That's like shit.
And this one is a
Yeah.
little bit mixed up.
This is the drop we just did. It's gone pretty well. We've gotten good reviews. So I'm super happy. This is gonna be the second drop. I'm really excited. Yeah. I just wanted to come on here and film an outro kind of end to this video. It was definitely a hefty vlog. There was a lot happening, but this was such a fun process. This is the first time I ever sold my clothes. It was so much fun because so many of these clothes I loved but just couldn't ever figure out a way to wear it or had a chance to wear it, and getting to do it with my best friend, like I definitely want to keep doing it. I'm currently working on the next drop. I still have a bunch of things I want to sell, so definitely follow Pixie Dust Thrifts. I'm gonna have it in the description and probably on the screen. And yeah, this was a super fun video, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, go check out Skillshare, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bloopers.
One second, let me see my face. Does it look oily? Does my face look oily?
I don't think so. It's okay, even if it does. They don't judge, they're chill.
But I judge.
You judge
myself.
You have to like... Hey guys! Ah! Okay. Natasha. This sucks. I'm like emotionally attached to all of these things. I can't do this. How do you let one kid go and choose stay? It's just so sad. I feel like I'm a little bit buried inside my clothes, so I'm gonna sit like this. Hi, can you see me?
Ow. Bro, but we'll have to figure out this GPA and all that.